One hype program. Let's see what is that. Here the burst monitor shows what programs are running, and at that second we have one big buy program. Let's see what's in it, what they have target in it. So Nvidia, some ETFs, TNA, okay, XLP, and Nvidia. The market breadth got very strong, around 1000. The weighted are 2300, which is very strong. We just need a pullback. The tradable high will be 49.50, but it's rising again. Come on, Price, give us a dip. Give us some opportunity. Гордо. Свърших. Днес казвам ти белчика. Хора, пора. Да. Не полагаешь, съм се отворил. Не ме по-лесно да се, защото когда се спаш воля с приятели. Майко, аж ли се бълпа на прегледа? Горе сделам, пиразам. Никога се обажда, тук само болни сме, никога се обажда, къде бъде. Да стои вкъщи става се. Добре. Какво да го направи, майко? Няма че. На друга седмица преглед заеките или що? Добре. Ах ти, тъпия пазар, честно.
So when we talk about why it's such a high flyer and the fundamentals of the business, which, okay, you mentioned the 30% growth. My question on top here is anyone else doing what they're doing in terms of the AI services they're offering? Compare it to the U.S. government, which are now they're scaling across enterprise, and you've heard from Alex Carr what the demand looks like.
Yeah, I mean, of course, any unique solution from the application to the infrastructure, it is no doubt a unique story. In that sense, the question is, again, how broad is this? And again, there's a lot of vendors that have AI solutions and AI infrastructure. So there's other ways to play this AI thing. It's not just Palantir. You can't listen to him and say, "Oh, he's the only game in town." That's not true. There's a lot of other games in town. So if you look at AI infrastructure, right, you've got Amazon, Microsoft, Snowflake. There's a number of apps that you know. Yes, if you wanted to complete a Palantir-like solution, you'd effectively have to take multiple solutions as they're spending. So we believe Dr. Trump on that. So we're not challenging the fundamentals. We're trying to separate the fundamentals from evaluation. And those are important to do. I've looked at this wrong so many times in the past by sticking with, hey, if you keep running on multiple things, 55 times next year's number. Revenue, not only it's not unneeded revenues.
Yeah, 55 years worth of revenues is rich to say the least. Listen, but I applaud your willingness to sort of call it out. That said, I mean, they are accelerating in terms of their growth rate, 64% now for the commercial business. Investors always like that, and I can go back to the mid to late 90s as well. You know, Yahoo, yeah, wouldn't have wanted to own it at 50 times revenues. I think it traded there, maybe even more. But Amazon, I would have, because, you know, a lot of people didn't necessarily recognize the full opportunity. You know, so to me, there's sense there.
But my point is, we think there's higher conviction stories where I sleep at night, not worrying about where multiples at. And ultimately, everyone's painting this big tent picture. Look, if you did this across the rest of stuff from anyone in AI, we have multiples that are unsustainable for the industry. And so, again, I think we saw stuff like 50 times revenue. We saw data get to these multiples. And those multiples ultimately corrected in 50 to less than 10. And so, again, I think the growth is going to slow in the short term. But again, I think investors are acting like this is a company that's growing 50%. Now, that's not one that's growing 30, it's down to 30. And maybe it's going to accelerate that growth this year. And so we're not disputing again the fundamentals, it's just the valuation is beyond anything we've seen, and it's basically 2 to 3 times more expensive than the next single software. So there's another cohort of companies like Samsara, Snowflake, you go through a list, there's a lot of great companies where investors can make good returns, where you're not exposing yourself to that level of multiple. And again, I go back to the institutional investor community, this is, they're not involved. Well, they're not. And this is a retail, this has been fueled by a lot of retail side around. And you can hear really
Okay, price decline some 50 cents or 5 points. Well, you know, trading is patience, part of the game. So we're not missing anything. And when we have clear defined setups, we just need to wait for them and play them with size when they present. We're not trying to surf every rise. Tradable high for me is 52, 53. We still have a half a percent of price rise opportunity because spice 0.5% up and the market bread is 1,000 ticks. The weight it is not that strong today. I really want the weight to be close to the standard signal weight of SPY, but the Nasdaq is doing its thing. A decline to 44, 43 will be interested. I'll be interested in that. I'll put 44, 43, 42. We are one bar, almost 2 bars away from a cycle origination. And usually after this move, after the open with no retracement, will give us some counter trend. Let's see if we will have it before the cycle originates. Until we have a down chevron forming here, we are fine for targets. For this target 605. But let's see. Tradable high 50, 52. Let's say 52, 52 and a half. So we are getting our decline. It's not a divergent one, but it's a decline. I need 43, 42. And of course, the liquidity is not supportive if we got in a long, so we'll be ready to manage as always. But no, where was the wall of that bar? 46, 46 and a half. So even it didn't go under the whole number. Even. Well, not enough of a decline. I needed 43, 44. I didn't get it. Any decline on the whole number was okay for me. The 5 minutes is getting extended. The cycle momentum, but it's still above 10, so it's okay. If it gets to the negative side, on the negative side, I'll be more defensive, more cautious. If Macrobrits gets above 1000 again, we can have swap change. The probability will be low, but we'll have a swap change next bar at 11 o'clock. I got a level at 60180. So I'll anticipate something. I'll put bit at 51. We got very shallow dips on price. There's about 1000 tick change in signal weight from the open. Liquidities with price. We only need some tradable decline, some sufficient decline. Quotes, I'm just seeing what have you written. I said at 11 o'clock, if the market rate rises above 1000, 1100, let's say 1100, we're gonna have a swap change. If not, we'll have it at 1130. Why 1100? Because then the cycle momentum will be bigger than the slope, and we'll have early swap change. The cycle change probability, SCP, we call it, will be low because under 200 ticks will be needed. 200 tick signal weight change will be needed. Next bar not to confirm, but let's see what will happen. And if the swap changes at 1130, the SCP will be very high because the new swap will start with like plus 70 and above, which is very strong. It will need 1400 signal weight change on the negative side for the cycle not to confirm at 12 o'clock. Do you get it, Quolves? Uh-huh. Why? The chat is not updating. It's not scrolling down automatically. Okay. It's not showing on my desktop that I have new messages. The drawing tool is not working for the second day. I need probably I need to reinstall this application, but I'll do it after the course. Are you new with the marker bread concept, the signal weight theory? Do you know what signal weight means here? What they symbolize? And the cycle momentum. We have a trade level high at 56, 56.50 maybe. Let's put it 56, a little bit under the whole number 611. What was the trade level high? 56. Okay, so we need 46. I'll just put the one limit at 46, 45. 44. Whatever I got filled. So let me just say it. Marker bread represents the average accumulation of all stocks in the S&P futures, the S&P ETF, which are 500 and something, 28 or 20. The average value, what they're doing. So the average on the all stocks is positive. On the weighted side, the let's say the top 20, I think, weighted by market cap is positive too. Oh snap! Okay, so there this represent all the stocks what are they doing in the SPY index, in the Nasdaq, Russell 2000, IVM it's Russell 2000, and the SPY without the tech, without the tech guys. And here the cycle momentum is giving us the direction where what direction we need to look for setups, and it's long, it's strong positive, so it's we're looking only for long setups, not shorting these highs here. We don't have a setup for shorting these highs. So we have a decline. We need under 600 or what was that? 46, yeah, 46. Liquidity is with price. It's supposed to move with price, so it just doesn't show a divergence. But with these strong numbers, doesn't matter. As a normal liquidity, which this pink wine moves with price. It's supposed to move with price. Opportunity arises when the pink wine deviate from price and deviate from a singular point of time of some point of time like here and like here. From this point of time, the liquidity is going down and price is going down as well. It's supposed to do like that. In times, come on, draw a line. In times when the liquidity is moving up and price is going down, represents opportunity for us for a long setup. That's what we need for a buy the book long setup. So where did price dip? At 50 under the half number 650. And see this the post on the journal. It's they want the same thing. The cycle momentum on the 5 minute delineator just got negative, and the swap is extended for me at 500. So now I definitely need a decline. And let's tell you what happens when cycle originates. How we do it. The first thing that happens, we have an early signal, and that means that shows that the swap has changed directions from negative to positive, or from positive to negative. That's the early swap. If the probability is high, then we can take the early signal by the book. If not, we wait for the confirmation, which occurs the next 30 on the course of the next 30-minute bar. These bars here are each are is 30 minutes, and on the liquidity is 1 minute. Every bar is 1 minute. So first we have an early signal. The next 30 minutes we have a confirmation. If the SCP, the cycle change probability, is high, we take the early signal, buy the book. And of course, the liquidity needs to be. There are three requirements for taking the setup by the book. SPY 75 to take the setup. Their market breadth to be above 800 or close. 750 works too. Uh, Liquidity to be supportive from the open of the day, so it's supportive, and sufficient cycle momentum, not in the 20s, 13 above. 25 works too, but we prefer 13 above. These are the three requirements. And the journal just just row them. Here are the three requirements needed for SPY75 to take the early signal and to be in the trade. So we won't have a cycle origination in 5 minutes. And if we do, the SPY 75 needs to wait another 30 minutes for a confirmation because the SCP will be very low. Well, I'm not sure, smart trader. I think the top 20, something like that. The Fatman are the 19 companies, uh, the FANG names. The weighted are Nasdaq weighted by market cap, the whole Nasdaq stocks. The Q standard is just the Nasdaq, but normalized to the SPY. And the weighted, I think, is the first 20 by market cap, something like that. Let me just see something. No, they're weighted by market cap. Let me just paste that. How are the calculations being done? I don't know. It's a proprietary of Steve. If not 20, they're more, probably the first 100 companies weighted by market cap and then normalized percent wise to the SPY, to the SPY, something like that. And I know the MDY is the SPY index without the tech stock. So what was the tradable high? 53. We have a new tradable high here. So 670. So 53. So I need 43. Let's put 44, 43, 42. And we might have a reversal bar down that we won't trade, but just need to mention that. A reversal bar down on the 30 minutes. A bar closing at the lows with a higher high. Let's see where it will close in 19 seconds. No swap change. Let me see if I have turned on the volume.